Hi, welcome to CookerKing's Corner Fair live channel. This is your host, Sarah. During this live show, I will introduce this die-casting aluminum collection to you. The name of this collection is Patrick's Doll Collection. As you can see, they are very colorful, right? If you don't like this color and you wanted to choose another color for your cookware, you just need to tell us the Pantone number and we will ask the coating factory to do it for you. And as you can see, here is a multifunction breakfast pan, the saucepan, a hot pot, a wok, a frying pan, and a casserole here. Later, I will introduce all the details to you one by one. Okay, let's begin with the casserole first. The size of this casserole is 22 centimeters, and the height of this casserole is 13 centimeters. It means the height is higher than the normal casserole, and the capacity will be very good. So let's see the inner coating. It's the gray with black and white dots. It means it is the marble coating inside. Of course, if you don't need this marble coating, you can change to any other coating you want, no matter for non-stick coating, ceramic coating, granite coating, any coating you need. And you can see for the outside, it's the pink outside. It's very colorful. You can choose any other colors if you don't like this one. You just need to send us the Pantone number or provide us the color samples, okay? Okay, let's check the bottom. You can see it's with the dot induction bottom. It means you can use it on all cooktops, no matter for gas, induction, and halogen or electric. You can see here is a logo here. Yes, it's the embossed logo on the bottom. You can also have your logo here. It is changeable. And let's see the ears. It's the black backlight ears with the soft touch. Yeah, the soft touch here. You can change it to painting or wooden soft touch because it's die casting, so it means you cannot change the ear design. You just have to. You can just change the color or the finish way. Okay. Last, let's see the glass lid. It's the totally flat glass lid with the silicone rim. Yeah. So it means. It can keep the steam inside and the food can be easier to be ready. And you can see the knob. It's very cute, right? But it is changeable. You can change the shape to any knob. It's not fixed. And it's also with the soft touch. You can change to painting, wooden soft touch. Of course, if your budget is limited, you can also choose the black backlight knob for the original one. Next, let's see the saucepan. The size of this saucepan is 18 centimeters. Yeah, because it's die casting, so we do only have one size saucepan in this collection. You can see the inner coating is the gray non-stick coating with the black and white dots. It calls the marble coating. Of course, if you don't need the marble coating, you can change to other coatings or other colors. Yeah, let's see the outside coating is the pink color outside. If you don't like this color, you can change to any other colors. You just need to provide us the Pantone number or send us the color sample. Yeah. Okay, let's check the bottom. Yeah, it's the induction bottom with a dot induction bottom here. It means it can be used on any cooktop, including the electric, gas, halogen, and induction, of course. Yeah. And here is the embossed logo here. If you want to emboss your logo here, it is workable. Okay, let's see the handle. Yeah, it's the black backlight handle with soft touch. And you can change the finish outside to painting or wooden soft touch. Okay, for the lid, it's also the totally flat lid with the silicone ring. It can keep the steam inside better, then the food will be easier to be cooked. And the knob, it's a very cute knob. The same as the handle, you can change the finish outside. And the difference is, for the handle, you cannot change the shape because it's fixed. But for the knob, you can change it to any other shape you like. Next is the hot pot. Wow, you know, hot pot is very popular in China, and as I know, it is also very popular in overseas countries. So it is necessary for you to know more information about the hot pot. You can see here is a board which make it divided, right? Because you know, maybe someone on the table wanted to eat something spicy, and any others just don't want to eat any spicy. So you can divide them very, very clearly. Yeah. So the inner coating is also the non-stick coating. Yeah, it means it will be non-stick. You don't need to worry about the food stick problem. Of course, if you don't like this gray color with marble, you can change to any other coating you need. For the outside coating, it's the pink. Very beautiful, but a little girlish, right? If you want to change to other colors, you can just need to provide us the Pantone number or the sample, color sample. Yeah, we ask the coating factory to do the coating for you, to do the color for you. And for the the button, yeah, it's with the dot induction. It means it can be used on all the cooktops, including the gas, induction, halogen, and electric. And here is a logo here. Yes, you can change your logo here, the embossed logo. Okay, let's put the glass lid on. Yeah. In fact, for this hot pot, we will recommend you with the G-shape glass lid because it will make the capacity bigger, right? Yes, and you can see it's with the silicone ring. It make the food more easier to be cooked in the hot pot. And for the ears and the knob, they are with soft touch, the same color as the body, but you can also change the outside finish. It's the material is the black backlight. You can have it with soft touch like this, and also painting, and also the wooden soft touch. Yeah, but the difference between the knob and the ears is the ears are not changeable because it is fixed for the die casting body, but for the knob, you can change it to any other shape you like. Also, for the color of the silicone ring, it is also changeable. Yeah, just like the outside coating of this hot pot. Okay, for this work, why it's a big work. The size of this work is 30 centimeters. And we do have two sizes in this collection, 30 centimeters and 32 centimeters. Yeah, it can satisfy the normal family requirements for these two sizes. And you can see the capacity is very big. because the round body design. So let's see the inner coating first. It's the gray long stick coating with black and white dots. It calls the marble coating. And for the outside coating, it's the pink color, a little girlish, right? But you know, the young generation will control the kitchen soon. So yeah, the pink color will also be popular. But if you don't like it, you can change it to any other coatings you like, colors you like. Yeah. You just need to provide us the Pantone number or color sample. So let's see the bottom. It's with the dollar induction bottom. It means you can use it on all the cooktops, no matter for electric, gas, halogen, and induction, of course. And here is a embossed logo here. If you have your brand, you can replace your logo here. And if you want to put your logo on the body, you can also choose the Leicester logo on the body, yeah, and also the silk printing logo on the handle. Okay, speaking to the handle, for this handle, it's the black backlight handle with soft touch. You can see it's the same color as the body, but if you don't need the soft touch, you can choose the black original one, or the painting one, or the wooden soft touch one. Yeah. Okay, put the lid on. Sorry, I forgot to introduce these two mouths. It will make it easier to pour the soup out, yeah, with these two mouths. Okay, let's put the glass lid on. It's the flat glass lid with the silicone ring. Yeah, and you can see for the knob, it's the same outside finish as the handle. But the difference between the handle and the knob is, for the handle, it's not changeable because it's fixed for the die-casting body, but for the knob, it is changeable. And for the silicone ring, the color is also changeable. You just need to provide us the Pantone number to change all the colors. Okay, next, it's the Multifunction Breakfast Pan. Okay, from the shape, you can check, right? For this area, it's for steak or for bread. For these two areas, it's for eggs with different shapes, yeah. And the size of this breakfast pan is 24 plus 26. Okay, let's check the inner coating. It's the gray non-stick coating with black and white dots. You can also change it to ceramic coating or granite coating, any other coating you need. And also, you can choose the coating brand like Waitford, Elec, or any other domestic coating brand like Pomflon. Okay, for the outside coating, it's the pink color here. You can change to any other colors if you don't like this color. Okay, you can check for this bottom. It's a very big induction plate, and the shape of this induction plate is square. Normally for the pan, the shape is round, not square, so it's very special, and it will make the induction performance better. Yeah. So with the dot induction here, you can use it on any cooktops like induction, gas, halogen, or electric. So you can see here is a logo here, our CookerKing logo here. In fact, if you wanted to replace your logo here, it's workable for the OEM. Yeah. Okay, for the handle, you can see It's the black backlit handle with the wooden soft touch. The color is the same. Sorry, it's with soft touch, not a wood soft touch. The color is the same as the body, but if you wanted to change it to painting or to wooden soft touch, it is workable. And since it is deck casting, so you cannot change the handle shape. It's fixed. Last, let's see the deep frying pan. For this one, the size is 26 centimeters, but we do have two sizes in this collection, 22 and 28. And you can see the inner coating. It's the gray non-stick coating with white and black dots. It's the marble coating. If you don't like it, you can change to any other coating with any brands. Yes, because we have all the license from any factories, especially from the Teflon. Okay, for all the set coating, it's the pink. It's colorful. If you don't like this color, you just need to provide us the Pantone number or the color sample. We can do the color for you. Okay, for the bottom, it's the dot induction bottom here. Yeah, dot induction. It means it can be used on any cooktops for the gas, electric, halogen, and the induction. Yeah, here is our logo here. You can replace the logo with your brand. And for the handle, it's the black backlit handle with soft touch. You can change it to painting or to wooden soft touch, but you cannot change the shape because it's fixed for the deck casting body. For the deep frying pan, you can match it with a gloss lid, yeah, if you need, because it can be used as a frying pan or as a wok. Okay, if you want to sell them in the supermarket or in the shop, you can pack them in the color box, color sleeve, or color label. But if you want to sell them online, you have to pack them in the mailbox, no matter for the individual items or for the set. And as you know, we have more than 10 years experience in how to pack them in the mailbox and guarantee the safety during the transportation in our domestic market. So if you have any questions about the package or the packing way, you just need to contact with us. And since there are deck casting aluminum and we have got the recycle certification, it means we can produce the deck casting aluminum cookware with 100% recycled material. So if you have any interest in the recycle project, please contact with us. And if you wanted to know more information about our CookerKing, you could also visit our website, and of course you can also contact with us directly, and we're always waiting for you. So see you next time. Bye.